Hey guys, Portia here, and today I'm going to be using my convection oven to sublimate on this frosted glass. Now, I really like these mugs, but I can't really see myself using them to drink out of. I'm thinking more so like decoration, but you know what, even further, like little pencil holders, so something to sit on my desk. We'll figure out a cute little design for it and then go ahead and use the convection oven to go ahead and get the image onto our little mugs. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Alrighty, here are the images for today's project. Now, I did create the images in Canva, so if you are interested, I will go ahead and link the video in the description. I give you guys step by step how to recreate this. So we do have one design for each mug. Again, we're doing like a trio thing, so I wanted to keep it coordinated. But let's go ahead and get started. We're going to cut this out. Then we'll prepare our mugs to go into the convection oven. Here are our three images, and guys, as I was cutting, I was thinking, I don't think that I want such a sharp edge on each on the back side. I think what I am gonna do is like rip this just a little bit to give us some more texture as opposed to just a blunt edge right here. So I am gonna go ahead and rip each of the sides. Wish me luck that I don't rip too much into it. Alrighty, so yeah, we're gonna get a more of an organic type edge with the ripped edges right here. So let's go ahead and wrap. Okay guys, we are all taped down. Now, because I am not using my like tumbler press, this was a little bit of an awkward size for my press. I use way more tape than I normally do, and we don't have any like air pockets with the tape down, but I am going to go ahead and put these in a shrink wrap bag just to ensure I have more than enough pressure. So these are actually the shrink wrap baggies for the tumblers, and I just cut them in half, and it works for these little things pretty well. So what I'm gonna do is just tape this down and cut a little area right here for me to work in. And so after I get all three taped down, I will show you how I use the heat gun to shrink wrap everything. All right, I'll tape down. Just go ahead and shrink wrap, and I usually shrink wrap with my heat gun on the low setting, and we just want to, I usually start in the middle there and just make sure we get the shrink wrap as flat as possible. All right, guys, we are all done. Let's head over to the convection oven. Okay, so the convection oven has been preheating. So you want to make sure it's nice and hot before you put your substrates in. And we are going to put it on approximately 12 minutes. And we are going to lay our mugs down in here because we do not want them too close to the heat source. So we are going to start in the laying down position. And what I am going to do, let me move this one over just a titch of it. And what I am going to do is let it go for approximately 6 minutes, and then I'm going to do a little bit of a turn, and then we are going to finish them off. Alrighty guys, we are all done. Oh, we are looking good too, y'all. This definitely tells us that we are on to something. And the thing I love about glass is you can see the results before you actually peel it off. So like if you need to put it back in there a little bit longer, you already know that. So what we're gonna do is, I think I'll adjust the camera so you guys can see me. I need to go ahead and peel these off. All right, my favorite part. Get the unwrapping. Alright guys, so this is what we have so far. I am going to let these continue to cool off fully, and then we'll take them back over to the work table and see what we actually have under different lighting. And we are all done guys, cool to the touch. And like I mentioned earlier, I will be using these for pencil holders or pen holders, so to speak. That's why I put that in there. I definitely will not be using them for mugs, guys. I got enough mugs. But anywho, let's take a closer look. I really like how the convection oven did translate the color or the image very well. I think Good Vibes is my favorite one. And remember, we were using frosted glass, guys, so the colors do look a bit muted, so just expect that in your design when you use frosted glass. But it did translate very, very well. I mean, I don't really have any complaints. You see how I nicked it there, so be careful when you're using your frosted glass. But our kits came out really vibrant, really bold, and Good Vibes only. That's exactly what I was looking for. And then if we take a closer look at this one, we have that jagged edge, which, like I told you, I wasn't looking for a straight edge. I like more of a jagged edge, especially if I'm not doing a full 360 wrap on a mug. I like it to kind of not end so cleanly. And then if we go over here, we got our XOXO. And then taking a closer look at this one. Enjoy every moment. Go all the way around. I like the depth of color that we got. So when I chose this pattern, I really wasn't paying attention to how the blacks kind of went to gray and got really pale and then really dark in some places. But I really do like how it translated into our sublimation. So yeah guys, these are totally going on my shelf. Guys, that's all I have for you today. I just want to share with you all how to sublimate in a convection oven on glass. If you have any pointers, go ahead and let me know. But other than that, if you have questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, go ahead and drop them below in the comments. And remember guys, stay colorful, stay creative, and always find joy in the little things you do. Until next time, peace.